What's good, people? It is me, C of Soul Search, back again with another sinker review and unboxing. This just came in fresh off the press. We're gonna get right into it. So I'm super excited. I'm excited about a lot of things. I probably said it in this video because this is kind of exciting. It's exciting getting a package. You know, the world's been partially closed down. There's not many things you can do compared to pre-COVID. So, as a good friend of mine always says, it's the little things that count or matters, right? And unboxing a new pair of kicks is definitely one of the little things that makes it all worth it. All right, so as you can probably tell, it's not a pair of Adidas, it's not a pair of Reeboks. It is that Jumpman. As you guessed it, Jordans. Yes. And as you can tell by this special box, I reviewed this, the grade school sizing of this pair in my recent video the other day. And the men's size came in, my size, for the toe. Come on, Nike. Come on. All right. Air Jordan 5 Retro. You can see the box has your bright red or infrared Jordan Jumpman logo. And the box, it's not like your normal Jordan 5 box. It's brown and black with like animated pieces of wood boarding covering the box. And as you can see, branded with Toro Bravo scratched into the wood that's animated on the box. It's been a while since I've seen a Nike box with any kind of real customization. So I think this is pretty cool. Let me see if I can move that up a bit. Yep, booyah. All right, let's look into it. All right, so as you can see, the wrapping paper resembles the same design on the outside of the box, except it's just black and white or grayscale. Pieces of wood, broken wood there. That's cool. And oh yeah, look at these babies. We got the Toro Bravos in hand. Yes, yes, yeah. And you don't stop. I'm excited about these. Very, very, very excited about these. Toro Bravos. All right, so let's just start it off. Let's see. All right, perfect. So we have a nice suede all around the shoe. Pretty much the same as most Jordan 5s. We have, it appears to be a 3M silver metallic like tongue with the embroidered black Jumpman on the logo. Clear lace locks. Of course, in always great Jordan fashion, a black and icy blue sole. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. We have 23 embroidered on both sides, on the side of each sneaker's heel. Ah, that fresh Jordan smell is amazing. Black insole with just the Jumpman. Icy blue rubberized cage or wing, whatever they would call this. But aside from that, unlike your retro or Jordan purists would know, it does not have your Nike logo on the back of the heel. It is a Jumpman. Quality looks kind of pristine on this men's pair, or my pair. There, I don't see many flaws. Red laces. Jordan, Nike, if you're listening to this, if you're listening, start giving us more laces with the 5s. A pair of black laces would be cool. Maybe a pair of white laces. I don't know. Surprises. Do something different, all right? But once again, this is definitely a good go-to shoe. It's sold out pretty quick on the Nike app. There's been maybe 1 or 2 restocks since then, but definitely this is a must-have in your collection. It's not a OG shoe that Jordan played in, but this is a retro pair. I believe the last pair dropped, I can't remember, somewhere in the 2000s. I have the last pair. I may do a comparison video. It's not the last pair, but the last red 5 suede colorway that dropped. It wasn't called the Toro Bravo either, but this is it. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, comment. Let me know what you think about this. Is this a pickup? Is this a pass? Did you hit? Did you get a pair? Are you planning to get a pair? Would you pay resale for these? Or just keep it moving? And don't forget to subscribe, man. Just hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that. Come on. At least hit the like button. That's all. All right. Takes a moment. Just do it. I'll greatly appreciate it. I'll know this content is getting out into your screens and for your viewing. All right. Once again, thank you for watching. This is C of Soul Search. Peace.